this video, I'm going to be sharing the best export settings for social media uploads in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm done editing my content. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the export tab. Now that it's open, the first thing I'm going to do now is we are going to go to video section. Before that, I check that the format is 8.264. And now we go to the video section. We are going to click on use maximum render quality and render at maximum depth. And now with the bitrate settings, what you're going to choose is we're going to go for VBR2 pass. We're going to set the target bitrate to 25 and the maximum bitrate to also 25. If your computer can support that, then I advise you go for that or higher. Then straight forward, you're going to move to the audio tab. We're going to make sure that we are choosing our codec to be AAC and then our sample rate to be 48000 Hz. Yeah, and our channels to stereo. You can put your bitrate to at 320. The rest of the settings, I don't think you're gonna need that much. Yeah, so that's the simple way to do that. And if you like, you can save this as a preset. So you can go here and save it, give it a name, maybe social media export. Then you save it. So when you want to export any other clip for social media, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the preset tab. I'm going to click here. You can see we have it here. So just click on that and now you get that. Yeah, so that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.